In today's fast-paced world, convenience and efficiency in the kitchen are more important than ever. Whether you're a busy parent, a culinary enthusiast, or someone who simply enjoys homemade meals, having the right tools can make all the difference. This Amateys 3-in-1 Immersion Blender is one such tool, designed to make your kitchen tasks quicker and easier. With its 700 watts powerful motor, versatile functionality, and ergonomic design, this handheld blender is poised to become an essential part of your kitchen arsenal. In this detailed review, we'll explore why the Amateys Immersion Blender might be the perfect addition to your kitchen. At the heart of the Amateys Immersion Blender is its 700 watts motor, which provides more than enough power to handle a variety of kitchen tasks. Whether you're blending soft fruits for smoothies, pureeing vegetables for soups, or even mixing tougher ingredients like nuts and frozen fruits, this motor ensures consistent and smooth results every time. One of the standout features of this blender is its ability to blend ingredients quickly and efficiently, which is crucial for those who value time in the kitchen. The motor's power allows for effortless blending, reducing the time and effort required to prepare your favorite recipes. Whether you're making a quick breakfast smoothie or preparing a more elaborate dish, the Amateys blender can handle it all with ease. When it comes to kitchen appliances, durability is a key consideration. The Amateys Immersion Blender doesn't disappoint in this regard, boasting a stainless steel body and blades. Stainless steel is not only known for its durability, but also for its resistance to scratches and stains, ensuring that your blender remains in pristine condition even after extensive use. The stainless steel blades are particularly impressive, capable of cutting through tough ingredients with ease. Whether you're pureeing hard vegetables or whipping up a smoothie with frozen fruits, these blades ensure smooth and consistent results every time. Additionally, the sleek stainless steel design adds a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen, making this blender as stylish as it is functional. 3-in-1 functionality. Versatility at its best. One of the major selling points of the Amateys Immersion Blender is its 3-in-1 functionality. This blender is not just a one-trick pony. It comes with a range of attachments that expand its capabilities beyond simple blending. 1. Detachable whisk, ideal for whipping cream, beating eggs, and creating light batters. This attachment is perfect for baking enthusiasts who want to prepare ingredients quickly and efficiently. 2. Milk frother. For coffee lovers, the milk frother attachment allows you to create cafe-quality froth for your lattes, cappuccinos, and hot chocolates at home. 3. Blending shaft. The main attachment, perfect for blending soups, smoothies, sauces, and more. Its versatility makes it a go-to tool for a variety of kitchen tasks. This multifunctionality makes the Amateys blender a versatile tool that can replace several kitchen appliances, saving you both space and money. Whether you're preparing breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this blender has the tools you need to get the job done. The Amateys Immersion Blender is designed with the user in mind. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable, non-slip grip that makes it easy to operate even with one hand. This is particularly useful when you're multitasking in the kitchen or need to hold a bowl or pot with your other hand. The blender also features a stepless speed control, allowing you to adjust the speed to suit the task at hand. This variable speed control gives you greater flexibility and precision, whether you're blending delicate ingredients or tackling tougher tasks. The addition of irregular and 2 turbine modes further enhances the blender's versatility, allowing you to handle both soft and hard foods with ease. Cleaning up after cooking is often the least enjoyable part of the process, but the Amateys Immersion Blender makes it easy. All the detachable components are dishwasher-safe, except the motor, so you can simply rinse them under running water or place them in the top rack of your dishwasher for a thorough clean. This easy-to-clean design means you can spend more time enjoying your meals and less time worrying about cleanup. The detachable nature of the accessories also makes storage easier, helping you maintain a clutter-free kitchen. Amateys is committed to customer satisfaction, offering a service guarantee that includes 24-hour customer support. If you encounter any issues with your blender, their support team is ready to assist and resolve your concerns promptly. This level of customer service, combined with the blender's robust construction and versatile functionality, makes the Amateys Immersion Blender a reliable choice for anyone looking to invest in a high-quality kitchen appliance. In conclusion, this Amateys 3-in-1 Immersion Blender is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly tool that deserves a place in every kitchen. Its 700 watts motor provides ample power to tackle a wide range of tasks, while its stainless steel construction ensures durability and longevity. The 3-in-1 functionality, which includes a whisk, milk frother, and blending shaft, makes this blender a versatile tool that can handle everything from whipping cream to blending soups and making smoothies. Its ergonomic design, stepless speed control, and easy-to-clean components further enhance its appeal, making it a convenient and practical choice for home cooks and culinary enthusiasts alike. If you're looking for a reliable and multifunctional immersion blender that can simplify your cooking process and deliver consistent results, the Amateys Immersion Blender is definitely worth considering. With its combination of power, versatility, and ease of use, this blender is sure to become an indispensable part of your kitchen toolkit. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.